guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Chotkin, and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a risotto with goji berries and apple. So what we're gonna do? We start cut the shallot finely, cut almost the size like the rice. We're gonna chop very finely. Garlic, just press with a knife and cut same like the shallots, very finely. Okay guys, we cut our garlic and shallot. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna add then the pan. We're gonna add 50 grams of butter and let melt the butter with the shallot and the garlic. When the butter is melted, we're gonna add our goji berries and we're gonna brown them with the shallots and the garlic. We add our goji. We're gonna cook them for about 2-3 minutes. Okay guys, now we're gonna add our rice, 180 grams of rice, and we're gonna toast until the grains rice they getting translucent. This mixed with the goji berries and the apple, it's a particular taste. The gojis are very healthy for our body. They have 18 amino acids which are good for our body, and this is the moment to add the wine. Our grain rice are translucent, so we are ready to put the wine. You can see it start to cook already. Now we have to evaporate the wine, and we put like 2 or 3 glasses of vegetable stock. But I'm gonna put just water without salt, without nothing, to make our risotto more light. Okay. Water. Just try to don't put too much water. Just try to cover the rice and let cooking. Okay, we're gonna cut our apple. which we're gonna add 2 minutes before the rice is ready. How are we gonna cut the apple? We're gonna cut in slices. And after that, just cut in small cubes or how you like. Stirring the rice, check. If it's not enough water, you can just add water. Just be careful to don't put too much, because maybe you can overcook the rice. We're gonna cook our rice for about 15-18 minutes, depends on the rice which you use. Okay, our rice is almost ready. We're gonna just add some goji berries, which I prepared before. I just put in cold water for about 10 minutes to getting the soft. And we're gonna add the apple as well, which is gonna stay like soft and at the same time crispy. Okay guys, our rice is almost ready. So in this moment we're gonna add the apple, and we're gonna put some goji berries, which I put before in cold water for about 10 minutes and they're getting soft. We're gonna cook for about 1 minute. We're gonna put a bit of salt, white pepper, and we're gonna move it from the heat and we're gonna stand for 1 minute. Okay, after that we're gonna thickening our rice. Thickening means add some fat. That means we're gonna add butter and the parmesan cheese. Okay, our rice is ready. Okay, this is my rice with goji berries and apples. I hope so you like it, you enjoyed my video. I just wanna say thank you so much for who start to watching me and start to follow me. And see you in the next recipe.